Hey, imagine I run some marketing campaigns and I have a nice Excel file with all the results and I can see that, I can see the revenue, but I want to brainstorm now with my team to figure out, is there a better way to have better results? So what am I gonna do? So I'm gonna go in Whiteboard. I'm gonna create a new whiteboard. I could do that in a meeting, obviously. Yeah, I'm alone to do the demo, and I'm gonna just start to ask Copilot to help me with my blank page. So here I'm gonna ask Copilot some suggestion and um, suggest ideas to enhance our marketing campaign. To brainstorm. So I'm prompting something, and I hope it will come with, some content that can help me to, build this whiteboard faster than if I was starting from scratch. So just from a prompt, it's probably gonna find me some, I guess, post-its and put them in already, and then we can elaborate the post-its. Something went wrong. Please try again. So with Copilot, you know now that you need to be patient and try again. So here there's explore new channels, personal messaging, creating a referral program, collaborate with influencers, focus on customer. Yeah, good ideas. Oh, let's generate more. If you have more ideas, I'm more than happy to see all those ideas. So here's a bunch of 12 ideas that looks very good. So I'm going to insert it, and I can, enter things within those different suggestions. We can brainstorm with my team, and then what? Then when I'm finished, I want maybe, yeah, let's say now that we have a nice brainstorm whiteboard, we want to categorize it. So can you help me, Copilot, to categorize it in different sections so it's easier to navigate for me and for my team? So I need to click twice. Apparently, I don't know why. I click categorize. Oh, cool. New channels, content creation, influencer marketing, customer engagement. I don't know nothing about marketing actually, but he helped me to do a very good job. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna keep this, and I can, change it if I want to, and then finally, what I can do is I can ask Copilot to do a little bit more. I can ask, oh, could you summarize all our ideas here? Now they're categorized, but summarize it. So the nice thing I discovered is that it's going to create a loop component that can leverage, you know, anywhere I want. And it will tell you, there were those participants in this brainstorming session. Here are all the ideas and a list of summarizing the ideas and a snapshot of the whiteboard. So I'm going to keep this. It looks pretty cool. I'm going to copy it. And now I'm going to go into Loop and I'm going to create a workspace for my team to work on campaign enhancements. I'm going to create this perfect. And now what? So first thing, I can give a title, campaign enhancement. Uh, and here I can type slash and draft page content. Um, and I can, you know, make a plan of what we need to do for our marketing campaigns. So I have different item here. I'm not sure what they are for. So maybe, I could brainstorm again. I can have a blueprint. I can describe, can create. So let's start with this first. Just clicking on the arrow and see what comes out of it. So while I'm in Loop, I also have access to Copilot and can generate some content for me based on my prompt, or you saw those other suggestions. We'll see, we'll try them later. And I'm curious to see what's going to come. Okay. And I can see there's my prompt is here. So define the target audience, identify demographics. Okay, love this. It's a bit long. Might not be what I'm looking for. Um, create a table with a list of social media we can leverage for marketing campaigns and assign people and add a due date. So that might be more useful for my team is, list all the social media we could leverage. I have a column with people who are going to work on it and give a due date. I want this one. It looks good, actually. So I can change, obviously, I can change everything here. Um, and, just as a reminder, I might want to paste paste the loop component I created in my whiteboard. So I should have it in my clipboard, and it is. So now, I can keep on going on working on my loop with all the components that are useful. But as you saw, when I draft something in Copilot, I can ask him to create a table. I might be able also to add, I have the result of the campaign somewhere. So maybe I can copy those results. I'm copying those results and I'm going to my loop. And I'm going to paste this result and it's going to be able to create a table with all my content coming from Excel file. And here I see that I have the revenue, I have the total users targeted, but I don't have the revenue per user. So maybe it will be useful to add a column. So I'm going to see if I can change this table. Is there a way to select the table? No. Maybe a way to select the table and I don't want to expand the table. Okay, here maybe. So maybe here I can rewrite with Copilot and add a column with the revenue per targeted user. And so if I look here, I don't have this column. It was not in my Excel file, but I don't have to go back to Excel file to do my calculation. Maybe I can do it. Maybe Copilot can do it for me. That will be nice. That will be nice, but it will take some time for Copilot to do what I'm asking for. Again, be patient with Copilot. It worth the patience. And do I have now a new column at the end? Revenue per targeted users. Amazing, amazing. So I can add this dialogue within Loop, within Whiteboard, even within Excel, and have a use case that help me to ease my work, my day-to-day work, and the work of my team. So you see all these use case scenarios. This is a specific scenario, but I wanted to show you what are some of the interactions between, on one side, Whiteboard and Copilot, on the other side, the Loop and Copilot, and in Loop in Whiteboard that is generated by Copilot. So there's so many things that are coming, and it's hard to catch up because you discover things by accident. Hope this was insightful.